Hi guys, we're making masks, no sewing or elastic, and we're back in lockdown. So yeah, bye.
You've watched the warehouse video, so now you've got to cut it up.
Oh. This is so good. Need to do 2-3 centimeters.
Where's your ruler?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have a wee check. So you do 3 centimeter. So right about here. You just cut along there, roughly, and then cut the ends off. And there's your 2 strips.
These can't cut properly. How did you cut it?
Just cut it like that. Be careful with your fingers. Yay! Now cut the ends off. We'll cut the ends open.
These?
Yep.
Right there?
No.
Like there?
Like go through that.
Oh.
Yeah. Right up where the seam is. And cut the seam off. I don't know if you want. Fingers, and to the other side.
Both.
Yeah, because then you'll have 2 strips.
Cut your fingers.
I said don't cut your fingers, Bella.
But I had to cut your fingers.
Yay, so now you got 2 3
But these are
centimeter
different.
strips. No, that's for your ears.
I know.
Okay, what's the next?
Now I'm going to cut this way in half.
Okay.
So where's the half?
I don't know, it's a rough estimate, Bella. That's not half. You can easily just check by folding it in half, and so it's about there. It's about there. Okay, so start cutting.
So this is 15 centimeters. This is 15 centimeters, and I'm gonna put it in half, and then it will be.
So the length is 17 centimeters, and the width is, what did you say? 15.
15.
So now you've got 2 masks. There's one here and one there. Make sure that it's been cut with 2 there. Okay, so get cutting.
Cutting.
So about there.
Put it right there.
Yeah.
Wait, is it? Wait, is this?
Yes. You have
Oh, no, I
2.
have two.
You have 2 pieces of material.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gonna get rid of the seam.
Okay, so get chopping. Get cutting.
I got rid of the seam. Now I'm gonna make 5 little cuts.
5 little slits. Cut the 5 little.
Slit.
Yeah. It'll be probably about 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Be about 2 centimeters apart. Yeah.
Okay, time to
2 centimeters. No, you have to cut it.
Okay. Put it over a centimeter. How much is that?
Fold it over a centimeter.
Is that
Once it's folded,
and
so
then
you're
you
gonna make
cut the
cuts.
little
Oops.
slit.
Okay, so do it now. So fold it over. Do you want me to hold it?
Wait.
You do the centimeter because I can't see with the phone in the way.
There.
Yep. Okay. Do you want me to hold it now?
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, is that even?
Yes. Does it really matter?
How do I cut them?
So now you can turn it around. Turn it around that way. Yep. Now you can cut them. So we can even put the ruler
How
over
much?
here. Okay. So hang on. Wait. Okay. There you go.
So you cut one there.
Yep. Is it even
Didn't
cutting?
even cut.
Oh, I think we need to get another scissors.
Cutting.
It's all done. I helped Bella cut it because it's a bit hard to do. Anyways, you can see these are the holes. So Bella is going to do the other side. Aren't you, Bella? And then we can thread the material through. Okay, so let's do the side.
These scissors don't cut properly.
Yeah, they do.
They're not working.
They are. You just got to bring it up. So bring it out more. Bring the scissors up more, and make sure you don't cut all the way through. It's making a bit of a dent. Keep going, you got it.
Little dent. Oh, these are hurting my fingers. finished doing the holes.
So now you've got to...
Gotta thread this through. So let's thread this one.
Yep, just thread it through here now. And I'll hold the material so it doesn't move.
What if it's a bit too small like this one?
Doesn't matter, you just try fit it through.
I'll do this one.
If it doesn't matter, you can just make it a little, stretch it out so it can go through.
Oh yeah, stretch it out. It's not going through. Oh, this is easy.
Yeah, it's like
Easy.
I don't know, like weaving. Put this on here. Okay, there we are. So
Finished.
So now you tie the ends. So Bella's going to tie her end, but we got to fit it to your face first to make sure it fits.
It doesn't fit.
Okay.
You gotta squish it. Gotta squish it. Is that how you squish it? Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to fit it to Bella's face. So we just measured it on her face, and so we just tie it here. You can always undo it and tie it again. Bella's tying her side.
What if it doesn't
Okay, so
fit?
Bella's going to try it onto her
What if
face
these
now.
things too small for my ear?
Wow! Make sure it's fitted properly. And it goes under your chin. Lift up your head. Wow, turn your head that way. It's got behind you. So you can just either leave the little straps here to adjust, or you can cut it off. But that's the one that we made. The design that we got off the warehouse one that'll be in the description. High five!